What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing an eyebrow tutorial. So right here I'm just going in with my spoolie and spooling out my eyebrows to the shape that I want them, the way I want my hairs to go. And so now I'm going in with my dark brown pencil from AOA, which is the same pencil. It's a 2-in-1. And I'm just going to outline my eyebrows. So I'm just going to do that until I feel like, hey, I like my brow, where it's at. And I'm just going to spoolie that going upward in the front. And so I'm going to do my other eyebrow off camera. Boom. And I'm back. So now I'm just going in with my flat brush and my LA Girl Pro Concealer in Warm Honey. And I'm going to... And I'm going to put that concealer on the back of my hand just so it's, easy for me to access it. Have access to it, sorry. Yeah, so I'm just going to carve my eyebrows so I don't get too close on it just because, mistakes happen. So I just really take my time when I'm carving out my eyebrows. And not just that extra product, I just drag it down and just keep working with, the product that I have. And of course, I know that I have, that concealer on the back of my hand, so I'm just going back and forth in with that, but I'm taking my time. Got cleaned up my other eyebrow. This is the part that takes the top off for me. The middle between your eyebrows, that space, put some concealer right there, okay? Put some concealer right there because this will make your eyebrow right here. Like I said, it will make your eyebrow with that concealer. So I'm just going in with my fluffy brush and I'm going to blend that product, the concealer, of course. I'm just going to blend out that concealer with this brush. And yeah, so the rest of this video is really just me like blending in all of that concealer on both eyes and then the bridge between. I don't put concealer on the top of my eyebrows. Personally, I don't like that look, so I don't do it. So this will be like my everyday natural brow. But really all my makeup looks have an everyday natural brow. So yeah, but I hope y'all like this little tutorial. And I hope y'all like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And bye.